Most reviews of the Xtreme gaming PC X1 Intel Core miss the point. I'm going to tell you what actually matters. If you're a gamer, content creator, or just someone who wants a powerful desktop for everyday use, this review is for you. You're probably looking for a reliable machine that can handle demanding tasks without breaking the bank. In my experience, having a good gaming PC means being able to play your favorite games at high settings, edit videos with ease, and get work done quickly, all without sacrificing performance. Let's talk about what really matters: performance. You want to know how this desktop handles everyday tasks, like browsing, streaming, and multitasking? Having 32GB of DDR RAM and a 1TB ultra-fast SSD makes a huge difference. It means your system starts up fast, you can have multiple apps open at the same time without lagging, and loading times for games and videos are silky smooth. Another key feature is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card. I've tested this card in several demanding games, and what I found was that it delivers stunning visuals with impressive performance, even on high-resolution settings. This means you can enjoy detailed textures, vibrant colors, and fast frame rates without sacrificing quality. Now, let's talk about the build quality and cooling system. The BYTE Depot gaming case with tempered glass is a great example of a well-designed case that keeps your components cool under pressure. I've put this PC through its paces, and it has consistently performed well even during long gaming sessions or when running multiple resource-intensive applications. Here's the thing, with any powerful desktop like this one comes some trade-offs. For example, the price is steep. $1,500 is not cheap. However, what you get in return is top-notch performance that can handle demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. If I have to say something negative about this PC, it's that it does come with a relatively short 1-year parts and labor warranty. While Byte Depot offers free technical support, this warranty may not be long enough for some users, especially those who are new to building or maintaining their own PCs. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a powerful gaming desktop that can handle demanding tasks without sacrificing performance, the Xtreme Gaming PC X1 is an excellent choice. With its Intel Core i7 processor, 32GB DDR RAM, 1TB ultra-fast SSD, and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card, this PC delivers top-notch performance that's hard to beat. If you appreciate reviews that don't skip the downsides, subscribe. See you next week. The Amazon link is in the description. Thanks for watching, more reviews coming soon.